Young niggas look up to me. I like to take shit. Young nigga come through it 223 like he Jamaican. I don't rock the car.
God, it's time to go shoot the G19.
Geek up in the G truck, geeked up on the swerve. I got young dude in the ride and they stick up on the swerve. Young dude in the apartment, stick up like the Secret Service. Geek up in the apartment, I almost forgot I'm serving. I got too hot off the purpose, had to let little brother serve.
Alright y'all boys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. As y'all can see by the title, we cutting up and going to the range with the Glock 19 today. Also, if y'all can notice, my lip is gone too. I'll tell the story on that when I'm in the car. But I ain't gonna lie, it's overly hot, and I done cut my finger trying to put my 360 cam on, like, so I'm overly aggravated. But it's cool though, cause we gonna shoot the guns, you feel me? Make sure y'all boys go follow the IG, show some love to the Stolen cat. But I ain't gonna do too much talking now. I'll catch y'all boys in the whip.
Geeked up, I can't feel my face, I'm too turned up, pipe down, nigga ass run up, he get burnt, yeah, ran down, he got gunned down, deuce 5 guns.
As y'all can see, we go Glock 19'X with the O-Light and the Chris Vet. I haven't even shot this Chris Vet yet, so we gonna see how reliable it is. I heard it ain't fully reliable, but you know, we gonna test that out today. This O-Light smooth though, it's like a strong light. I wish the laser was better, but you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm in love with this gun, I ain't gonna lie. Cat can't catch no traction. Let me tell y'all what happens to the front lip as well. Basically, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm on a 1-lane road. You know how it's like a road where it's like 1 lane going, 1 lane coming. It's a car going slow as hell in front of me, right? So, you know, as a normal person would do, you know, you swerve around the dude, you feel me? You're not finna just sit behind somebody that's going slow. Especially when you're the cat. But as I'm doing it, as soon as I do it, I get back over, I hear a loud crunch. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just knew what happened. My first words was like, bro, my lip is gone. Like, I knew it was instantly gone. I don't know what I hit to this day. I genuinely don't know. But it's like the little grill piece at the bottom is broke too. It's not broke, but it's cracked, so I gotta replace that. And then my front lip completely broke, so I had to take it off completely. Then I had to like rewrap part of the bumper because it got damaged. But you feel me? We back to looking brand new basically. I got a new lip on the way. It's gonna be a different design though. So make sure y'all boys stay tuned for that. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok though. I'll probably post it on there first. But yeah, man, I was upset, but then I thought about it. I'm like, my front lip breaking probably saved me from buying a whole new bumper and having to get the whole thing rewrapped. Cause my bumper probably would have cracked if the lip was so durable, you feel me? But that broke, my bumper would have been fried. In love with the cat downshifts. My tires is bald as hell too. I got some new ones coming in like 2 days. Why these folks going so slow, bro? I don't like that. I don't like that slow stuff. Come on, boy. Come on, Tesla, move. Boy, oh boy. Bro, my freaking phone keep falling, bro, and I'm plugging. Zero traction whatsoever. Also, we got some performance mods coming to the cat soon, very soon. So y'all stay tuned for that. Comment down below what's y'all favorite version of Glock too. For me, definitely I say the 19'X, because I got a big hand, so this handle being bigger makes it fit so smooth in my hand. I also got the ARP in the bag as well. I couldn't bring the Drake because they said you have to have a stock to be able to shoot the Drake, which I'm like, why is that a thing? Like, the gun don't come with a stock, so why would I need to add a stock to be able to shoot it at a range? Like, come on. These folks need to get out my freaking way, boy. Oh, what's this in front of me? Oh, this is CT5V Blackwing in front of me. CT5 don't want no smoke though. He ain't ready for this cat. There go 12 on the right. My spider senses is tinkling, I see it. I want that CT5 to act up. He know better. Trying to antagonize him. He on some chill old head stuff. It's an old head driving that. Told y'all that CT5 wasn't about it. He don't want no smoke with the cat, boy. I don't know how people can like speed into intersections, bro. That's like one of my biggest fears. I hope that wasn't no undercover on the left. I hate seeing Ford Explorers. What that boy feeling like? He got a tune too, bro. I need a tune so bad. Oh yeah, let me not do that again. I patted the gas while turning. Whole back end just shook. All in the road for what? God dang. I love them gunshot pops, and I'm not even tuned yet. Imagine what it's gonna be like when I'm tuned. I look, you want to race a stock Z06 while I'm basically stock. See how I fare up against it. That's gonna be a great run. Boy, oh boy. I got gas beforehand, but oh well. I'm at 80 miles on half a tank, by the way. safe and sound. I ain't gonna lie, the way it's getting hot, I'm finna have to stop wearing these stolen gloves, bro, cause my hands be sweating under these. But alright, it's time to go shoot the G19.
Still 75 in my Drake, hit your block and slide with my Drake. 4-pipe exotic Hyundai tires, screeching these bitch sideways. Straighten up, ball down highways, eyes I Glock don't ball down my way. Vito hit hard on hot days, G23 Gen for my fiance.
Alright, let's see what this Chris Vec do. Oh boy. I had like 39 or 40 in there. I had to stop because my finger cut touching the barrel. This should start burning. Now the Chris Vec ain't jammed at all though. That's surprising. We go 17 round. Oh my God, it's hot. We're gonna let the Glock sit for 1 second. 40 round ARP. Safety. This thing got some stopping power, boy. Oh, I had like 20 in there. I ain't even know. We go 60 round. I'm gonna shoot like a couple of them, then go back to the Glock and switch back. This thing put some shit back in your shoulder, boy. We're gonna let that sit for a second too. 19 rounds. Let me go ahead and load some more bullets in the Chris Vec. This is everybody's favorite part about the range, loading the bullets, especially a big mag like this. I lost count what I'm at, but I'm at least at 17. I forgot I didn't even shoot the 30 yet. I got plenty. Oh my God. This barrel is so hot and my finger is cut. Like, that's a terrible combo. Oh, it jammed. Oh wait, no, it didn't jam. It just didn't. What? Still got some in there. Oh, snap. I'm in love. All right, back to the ARP. I got like 40 left in here. Send the target back some more. That's far as hell. We're gonna test it out though. Ooh, boy, I only got a few left. Handguard is getting super hot. Back to the Glock. The only gripe that I can ever have with a Glock, it's just the trigger reset. And I think it's mainly because of the safety. Like, you really gotta pull your finger all the way back. You can't, you feel me? I don't know how to explain it. Comment down below what gun y'all wanna see me buy next too. I got at least like 18 in here. That's about 19. I ain't gonna lie, considering the fact that I was just mag dumping, this ain't really a crazy chart to me. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7 misses. And I shot over 200 rounds with 2 different guns. And one of them was from 25 meters, you feel me? This ain't even crazy.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to sleep, I bet this chop.